Hello and welcome back to ScorpioTech. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the Govee 3m TV LED strip, which is said to be suitable for TVs between 46 and 60 inches. This LED strip also connects via USB, so with most modern TVs you can plug directly into a USB port on the back. This reduces the amount of cables that you would need if you were connecting to a power outlet. In addition to this, unlike some of its competitors, this particular Govee strip also has music syncing, so for just £15.99 on Amazon, and even further reductions to come on Prime Day, is this the strip that you've been looking for? Let's find out. On the packaging we can see that the key features have been highlighted, including colourful lighting output, adjustable brightness, including a remote control, as well as being safe to use. Inside the box, as expected, we have some paperwork, including a very handy guide explaining the various steps to properly installing the strip. This includes choosing a dry, clean and smooth surface to attach the strip to. In this case it's most likely going to be your TV or monitor anyway, so you should be fine. It is then suggested that you wipe down the surface with the included alcohol preparation pad, then finish up by firmly attaching the strip to the chosen surface, using the included strip clips if required. The LED strip is designed with TVs in mind, so the strip is split into 4 total sections with corner sections built into that. There is 2 1m strips and 2 50cm strips, meaning that you can easily attach your strip to a surface without bending the LED section, which you will see shortly. As mentioned previously, the box also contains a very simple remote with brightness, colour and mode options included. However, where this strip really comes into its own is with its Bluetooth capability. I've been using Govee products for over a year now, and honestly the app is one of the best smart apps I've used. It's both simple and intuitive. You can download it from the App Store and simply add your strip, it just takes a matter of seconds. This will allow you to customise the lighting, brightness and effects to a much greater level than with the manual strip controller or the remote. But honestly, this is one of the reasons I recommend Govee to so many people. The fact that you are given 3 ways of controlling the strip is fantastic and can suit anyone no matter what. Don't have your smartphone with you? No problem. Can't find the remote? No problem. It's super consumer friendly and something I'd like to see more companies adopt. So as mentioned previously, the strip is also split into 4 sections with thin corner pieces to allow you to easily attach the strip to a TV or monitor. The only disadvantage of this is that it can only really be used on a TV. For example, if you wanted to use this strip elsewhere, say on the back of a desk, it would have gaps in without the LEDs, which would not look good at all. As expected, the strip also has a reasonably strong self-adhesive backing that allows you to attach the strip to your chosen surface without any additional tape or tools. I haven't personally had any issues with this in the past, but I do know some people that have used these strips on devices that can get quite hot, that do experience issues with the strip falling off or coming loose with time. Okay, so let's talk about the actual strip. As expected from Govee, the strip has very vibrant colours, which is fantastic. However, unfortunately, unlike the other Govee strips that I've used in the past, the brightness is significantly weaker. By that I mean in daylight the effect of the RGB strip will be greatly reduced compared to a very dark room. As you'll see later, the strip still does a great job of casting an ambient light behind my monitors, especially in the darkened room, but just don't expect them to be extremely bright like some of their other products. Moving on from that, the music syncing works fairly well and responds to sounds with brightness and colour adjustments. This can add an extra layer of immersion to movies, TV series and games. As a whole though, and especially for the price, this strip would be a fantastic addition to your living room TV or gaming setup. It's amazing how adding a simple strip behind your TV can essentially lift it off the wall and make the viewing experience much more enjoyable. As well as the aesthetic benefits, having an ambient glow around your TV also helps reduce eye strain, so honestly it's a win-win. So here's a quick sample of the difference that it can make to your room. This is the before clip, and this is the after clip. It really does change the whole feel of the room in my opinion. Once again, thank you so much for watching my video. As always, the links to the product are down in the description. If you have any questions about it, please let me know in the comments section below. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Peace!